Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully Eut. On this video, I'm gonna be showing you what I do with my potatoes when they are getting spots or when they are uh, developing to grow. Let's stay tuned. Salt, paprika, oregano, black pepper, parsley, white pepper, olive oil, and my potatoes are being washed and chopped. These are the ingredients I will be using for this recipe today. I want to welcome back all my returning subscribers. Thank you all for always coming back. And if you haven't subscribed and this is your first time coming across my video, please ensure to subscribe. If you like this video, please check out my previous videos. Welcome back all my subscribers and everyone watching my video without subscription. Thank you. So I will just add all the ingredients that I introduced to you. This is a very quick and simple recipe. I will be adding all the ingredients I introduced to you. Fam, are you looking for that channel that will give you free Hollywood and Nollywood movies, the latest update news? This is the best channel for you. Best Davis show, sir. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Guys, please go and check out that channel and you won't regret subscribing to that channel. For the past few weeks now, I have been sleeping on that channel. Go check it out. I will make sure to give the potato and the spice a proper mix. You can choose to reduce or increase the spice according to your taste. I will be marinating it for 30 minutes and then after 30 minutes I'll set my air fryer for the potato to be roasted. So in my air fryer I spread in a baked paper, or you can choose to use your air fryer like that by greasing it first so that it doesn't stick, or you can just use it like that, but I prefer using a baking paper for easy turn. So I'll be baking this for 20 minutes in 180 degree. This is 10 minutes later. I will just give that a stir or flip it for a proper cook of the other side and place it back to the oven. And after 10 minutes, it is ready to serve. So it is well served and ready to eat. You can use any sauce of your choice. So after serving my meal, I have some extra potato left. So I will be putting this into a zip bag once it's cool and then put it in my freezer until I'm ready to use again. And once I'm ready to use again, I will just roast it again in the air fryer for a few minutes, and once it is hot or in the microwave, then it's ready to serve again, so you don't have any potato wasted. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, ensure to subscribe and put on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to use the comment section if you have anything to talk about in this video. Bye, stay blessed and stay safe until next video.